So everyone, if you are mining Simple Coin, we have the latest update on Simple Coin on how you can withdraw your tokens. How you can withdraw your tokens on Simple Coin. I'll be putting you through the process, so just do well to stay glued to this video. Don't forget, likewise, if you are yet to subscribe, if this is your first time, please ensure you do so. Turn on the notification bell so you receive updates like this whenever they are posted as well. So this Simple Coin, I'm sure you are familiar with what you are meant to do. You are meant to post on Telegram stories every day, and you'll be given 10,000 Simple Coins tokens every day. Now, once you are done with that, you can head over to, you can just select check. Then from there, we have this login to the app. Now, just like some of these projects, Simple app has its own exchange app. So this is what the app looks like now. So formerly, before, you are meant to withdraw 10% of your tokens from the Telegram mining bot to the Simple Coin app. But as it stands now, you can actually withdraw everything and you are good to go on this project as well. So now we have this section as well, this fortune where you get to spin the wheel. You can be lucky to earn 1 million coins. I've earned 1 million coins about twice or three times now. So you are just meant to spin this, and by doing so, you'll be earning more on this project as well. Likewise, you also get from referrals. If you have referrals, you also get some percentage from those that you've actually referred to this project. Now, the project is scheduled to list on for the fourth quarter of this year, but as it stands, I'm not sure that will be possible. But notwithstanding, the listing is very close. For the fact that you can withdraw more than 10% now, that shows that the listing of this project is actually very, very close. So this is just what you are meant to do. You are just to spin the wheel, and by doing so, you'll be earning more. But I've not really been getting more. I'm just getting little now. So let me complete this and I'll just show us on how we can actually withdraw our tokens. So that's that for that. We have other tasks that you are meant to do and you are good to go. Now it says withdraw your Simple Coin, transfer your Simple Coins to Simple app and be part of green community. Make sure you are registered with the same email to collect your coins. So that's the criteria. Now, withdrawals are possible once every 24 hours. You must confirm the receipt of Simple Coin in the Simple app. So it's very simple. So you can withdraw from here. That is where we have this listing. That's to show the listing is closed. You can also come to your profile. Now, under your profile, you will see withdraw. This is withdraw under your profile here. Click on withdraw. You can do it from here, or if you come to the home section, we have this listing. So select continue. Then you can just tap on this. Once you've selected continue, don't forget, just tap on this max. Max, like you want to withdraw everything. So select withdraw. Now, once you are done with that, just select got it. So by doing so, this will redirect you to the Simple app. If you are yet to download the app, please ensure you do so. So select collect and it will be added to what you have under your balance in the Simple Coin app. So this is currently my balance here. We don't know what the listing price will be and we don't know what the criteria or how the coins is going to be splitted, but this is what I have currently. So as it stands now, you can withdraw more than 10% of what you have. You can withdraw more than 10% of what you have. Let me still go ahead to withdraw this now. Select got it again. Then you can just go to the app, select, and it will be added to your balance. So let's head back now and see. As you can see, I just have 4,578 Simple Coin tokens. Under the end section, you can always check if we have tasks that you are meant to do, and by doing so, you will also be earning more as well. So don't forget profile or listing, select withdraw, continue, max, withdraw again. It will redirect you to the app and you have it credited to your app and you are good to go on this project. So this is just what I have now, 229 Simple Coin tokens. So we have another tax that links your account to LinkedIn, and can just select check. and you'll be given 5,000 coins as well, and that is added. So that is it. Now if you head over to the simple app, if you check here, it says we have simple coin released, we have boost tax, wheel of fortune, collecting coins in simple app, we've done that. We have auctions, we've also done that. Then we have token SMPL, that's scheduled for quarter 3 and quarter 4. Partner engagement scheduled for quarter 4. Listing is scheduled for quarter 4. Now when we talk of quarter 4, we're making reference to October, November, December, the last 3 months in the of the year. That's what we're making reference. So that's the project roadmap. As you can see, that's the project roadmap. So don't forget, like I said, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please ensure you do so. Turn on the notification bell. Continue to mine. Um, we have the partners here. We have some other projects here as well. Do well to turn on the notification bell so you get notified when projects like this or updates like this are being given. So I'll be seeing you shortly with another update. Thank you very much.